Hello everyone, so in today's video we'll be looking at how to design a Pepsi bottle cup. So this could be any other brand, I just like the blue color, that's the reason why I've chosen the Pepsi bottle cup. So to create this part, you will have actually to go through these steps. So we have started off our design by creating the base of the cup. And then we created a plan, then Loft Boss, another plan, another Loft Boss, and then a fillet, and then an extruding cut for the base, and then a shell. These were our steps, and now let's go ahead and design it. So to create it, go to New, click on Part, and then click on OK. So once you're there, go to Front Plane, and create a sketch. Let's start off with the diameter of 30, and then let's add in an arc, 3 points arc. Let's make these 2 points horizontal, and let's add in dimensions. So it should be radius 3, and this distance should be 4.71. Now let's go ahead and create a pattern. Select the midpoint of the circle and go to the arc. The repetition should be 20. Alright, and then click OK. Let's fully define our sketch. Calculate. And you're good to go. Now let's go ahead to Feature, Extrude Boss, select the middle area, and then make it 0.1 because we would delete it later on anyways. So once you're there, now let's go ahead and create a plan. It should be offset by 4 millimeters. Once you have done that, select the plan and then create a sketch. The second diameter should be 26.5 and skip sketch, and let's go ahead to our initial extruded boss. Let's go to sketch again, convert to entities, and you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and create a Loft Boss. Select the initial sketch and the second one. So here you got the base. Now let's hide this plan and create another one. This second one should be offset by 3 millimeters, like that. Now let's create another sketch. The second sketch should be 25, like that. And let's skip sketch and create a Loft Boss again. Select the base, select the sketch, and you're good to go. Now let's hide the plan again, all of them. Anyways, we don't need them. And I just needed to change my background. I like it white for better view. Now let's go to fillet, select this face, make it 2.5, and then click on OK. So here you got something that looks like a cup. We just need to refine it a little bit. Let's go ahead and remove the first extruding boss that we have created. So just click on extruded cuts, convert to entities, and then make it 0.1. You're good to go. Now let's go to shell, make it 0.5, and there you go. Here you got something that looks like a buttercup. Now let's just add in appearance to make it look more like a buttercup. I mean, you can create anything, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, any brand you want, as I said in the beginning, just like blue. So apply the sprayed blue color, painted one, and now let's go to decals. Let's open the library and let's apply anything. Go to logos, and we'll bring our logo anyway. So let's browse logo. I mean, if you have the logo. If not, this one I've just downloaded from Google anyways. It does not belong to me. So yeah, so for adjustment, let's just go to mapping. I mean, if your logo is offset, just go ahead and fix the width, the height, and then it will do it by itself. And here you can just adjust the way that it looks if you want to, if you don't like the coloring or whatever. So here you got something that looks like a Pepsi bottle cup. Hope you like this tutorial. See you on the next one.